In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover deleted posts on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to recover your deleted Instagram posts, what you need to do is to open the Instagram application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens and go to your activity. Then scroll down and click on the last option, download your information. Tap on request a download. Make sure that only your Instagram account is selected and click on next. Then click on the second option, select types of information. Okay, since we only want to recover or deleted Instagram post, therefore you need to search for this option that says content, select it and click on next. Then tap on submit request. After you click on submit request, within the next 24 hours, a file containing your deleted posts on Instagram will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted Instagram post will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.